Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how I take down this protective style and what I do with my hair after protective styling, so stay tuned. So these are 2-week-old spring twists, and they definitely need to come down at this point. I actually did these spring twists for a surgery that I had just recently, and I didn't want to have to worry about having to do my hair. So these twists have literally been up in a bonnet for the past 2 weeks, and now I am well enough to wash my hair. So I am going to be taking these twists down and showing you how I care for my hair after protective styling. So I'm going to start by putting my hair into 4 sections. So I've split it down the middle, 2 halves, and then I'm going to split each half in half. So I'm just going to use my clip to clip these sections out of the way. So I'm going to start with this first section, and the most important thing when you're doing a protective style is to make sure that your hair is protected underneath. Protective style is to help maintain your hair and also to help your hair to grow because you're not manipulating it. So it's very important that you're protecting your hair underneath by making sure that it is completely moisturized before adding the protective style, making sure that you do maintenance by adding oil to your scalp and doing your scalp massages, adding moisture to it throughout the protective style, and just making sure that you are maintaining your hair even though it is in a protective style. So after protective styling, I always do a pre-pull, and my pre-pull of choice has been the Camille Rose Honey Hydrate Leave-In Conditioner. This is bottle number 2. So I'm going to be using this as my pre-pull. So I'll be taking down the twist, and then I'll be applying this, detangling my hair a bit, and then twisting it up, and then I'll rinse this down before I start shampooing. So stay tuned. So I'm not going to cut the twist. I'm just going to go in and separate. I did these pretty big. I did jumbo twist this time, so it's a lot easier to take them down. This is my second time doing spring twists, and I absolutely love this protective style. It doesn't last me longer than about 2 weeks. It hasn't, at least 2 to 3 weeks, but definitely love it as a protective style. And I will link the video up above where I did my first set of spring twists and also how I cared for my hair after I took those spring twists out. So going through, taking out the spring twist, and then removing the rubber band that was there. And I do dip my rubber bands in oil before applying them to my hair, so you can still see the oil on this rubber band. So this is what my hair is looking like. So I'm gonna keep taking down. Okay, so this section is all down and I am going to spritz it with some water and go in with my pre-poo. So before I add my water, I just want to show you the moisture from my hair after being in a protective style for 2 weeks. So again, the key to protective styling is to make sure that you are taking care of your hair underneath. Free game. So I'm going in with my water bottle, which just has some warm water in it. And I'm gonna spritz my hair. Not soaking wet, but damp enough. Right, and then I'm going to go in with my Camille Rose Honey Hydrate Leave-In Conditioner. And this stuff literally looks like honey. I'm going to be applying that to my hair. And as you can see, it is just soaking up into my hair. Love this stuff. So I'm just going in and finger detangling first. And I'm going to go in with my brush to further detangle. And as you can see, detangling with this leave-in is so easy. So I'm just going to twist this section up and proceed to the next section. So the second section is down. And again, my hair is very moisturized still because I kept up with my moisture while in the protective style and before protective styling. So again, I'm just going to go in with my warm water and dampen my hair. And then I'm going in with my Camille Rose Honey Hydrate as my pre-poo. And this stuff is nice and thick. So I'm going in and finger detangling first. And I feel a knot in my hair, so I'm gonna give you guys a little close up. I don't know if you can see that knot there. So we're gonna just slowly get that knot out. There we go. There we go. So just work it on out slowly. So now I'm going to go in with my brush just to further detangle this section. And the brush is just gliding through. This pre-poo is bomb. So let me know in the comment section what's your favorite product to use to pre-poo. I do also love the Nature's Little Secret Fenugreek pre-poo, which is an actual pre-poo. I'll link that video in the cards above. But I absolutely love using this leave-in conditioner as my, as my pre-poo. So one half of my head is done. I want to work on this section and I'll be back. Okay, so I have applied the leave-in conditioner as my pre-poo throughout my hair. I'm going to put a plastic bag on it and let it sit overnight, and I'll be back tomorrow for shampooing. So stay tuned. Okay, it is the next day and I have rinsed my pre-poo out. And this is what my hair is looking like from the pre-poo. So now I'm going to go in with my shampoo, and I am using the Camille Rose Clean Rinse Moisturizing and Clarifying Shampoo with honey and peppermint. I absolutely love shampoos that have eucalyptus or peppermint in them, so I'm so excited to try this. This is my first time trying this shampoo from Camille Rose. Normally I use the Camille Rose Sweet Ginger Cleansing Rinse, but today I decided to go with the Clean Rinse. So this is my first time trying this, so I'm excited about doing that. So let's get into shampooing. So this shampoo has a nice amount of lather. Love the tingling feel that the peppermint gives. So this is my first shampoo. I'm definitely going to shampoo twice. So I'll be back with my final thoughts on this shampoo. So stay tuned. Okay, so I did end up shampooing twice. As I said, the second shampoo definitely lathered up a lot better than the first shampoo. This is definitely a clarifying shampoo. So it definitely is leaving my scalp feeling very cleansed. But it doesn't feel stripped. So I really do enjoy this Clean Rinse Moisturizing and Clarifying Shampoo. So it's like the best of both worlds. It gives you the moisture and it's also very clarifying. One thing that I will say about this shampoo is that you have to make sure that your hair is completely wet. The shampoo is very thick, so if your hair is not wet, you will not see that good lather. And I'm just using my scalp massager just to make sure that my scalp is completely cleaned. Okay, and here is my hair after the second shampoo. And it's actually feeling very clean and very moisturized. If you know anything about Camille Rose products, you know that their products are extremely moisturizing. So this was definitely a great shampoo or pre-poo and shampoo. So again, for pre-pooing, I use the Honey Hydrate leave-in conditioner. And then for my shampoo, I use the Clean Rinse Moisturizing and Clarifying Shampoo. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.